today we'll be building and solving this puzzle box. I'm gonna, well, take it apart and then put it in reverse so it works, and let's get into the video. Here it is, fully built. 360 rotation right here, pull you wherever you want. There we go, let's get into the solve. Well then, let's solve it. Firstly, we'll take this part off, push that in, and then right here, you should be able to get this piece out. That should go in right here. And then you can press this all the way in. That drops that down. Grab this out, and in there, a little bit of trigger. There you go. Subscribe, see you next time.